knees, 2 little legs, and the little foot just there. The placentas across the front.
Can you tell the sex?
I doubt
I
it.
don't think at this stage. No.
That's the little eye sockets just there. Do you see the little eye sockets and the little hands? And that's the body, and you can see the little heart beating away again just there. And you see the little stomach, this one is the stomach and that one is the bladder.
Okay.
Good as that.
Lovely. And that's the top of the head. And I'll just measure it for its age. And we'll see if that fits with your dates. Okay. So that's one side. Oops. Lovely. Saying 13 and 5. And there's the little legs again. That's the bone at the top of the leg. So that's its hip.
So what is it?
That's the femur. The
femur,
here,
okay.
yeah.
I thought that looked like a bag.
So that's lovely, yeah. But, your dates are more or less right. There's just a couple of things we wouldn't bother changing them now that you have one. There's a little leg up in the air again. Look, it's just going to give you a kick. Did you see it? Look. It's lovely, look. Just there. And then that's this little arm. And the little head.
See the body, the head.
You can, and then the little nose there. This one here is the nose, forward and around the back of the head, and the chin just there. And then that's the little feet just there. Oops, it jumped. It jumped, yeah.
Oh, was it hiccup? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, no.
That was... Oh, baby jumped around, man.
Yeah,
Look at that.
again, yeah. It's sweet, isn't it?
That's a really... We have a picture of that.
Yeah, that's a lovely one, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see the little